The biggest threat that we are facing today is climate change.
We need to pay attention to our environment and to some important activities and causes.
The average surface temperature of the Earth is said to be rising due to the greenhouse gas emissions caused by humans. Contrarily, climate change encompasses more than just the average surface temperature, and it refers to a long-term alterations in the climate of the planet or a specific area within it.
Climate change is already taking a place, resulting in alters such as floods, storms, and droughts.
Sustainable development is coming under increasing danger from climate change. The ability of agriculture to feed the world might be substantially jeopardized by anticipated impacts of climate change, which would also seriously impede efforts to end hunger, malnutrition, and poverty. It is critically necessary to take action to get the agricultural sectors ready for the possibility of quickly altering climatic circumstances. One of the leading contributors to climate change is the burning fossil fuels, deforestation, products of plastics, cutting down forests, but there's still hope. We can do small changes.
Use energy wisely. Reducing your energy usage reduces the demand for fossil fuels and in turn lower the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Turn off the lights. Unplug computer, TV, and other electrons when you're not using them. It reduces our carbon emission since most of our energy comes from fossil fuels.
And change your disposable to reusable.
Walk, bike, or take public transport.
Reduce emissions. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions can improve air quality and save lives. Reducing global greenhouse gas emissions to slow climate change could prevent millions of premature deaths due to air pollution over the next century.
Reducing, reusing, and recycling. Waste helps save landfill space by keeping useful materials out. The amount of energy and natural resources needed to produce or collect the raw materials and manufacture the products are reduced.
What about your diet? Eat low carbon.
A low-carbon diet is an eco-friendly diet that consists of foods with a reduced carbon impact. The diet's purpose is to lower the total greenhouse gas emissions produced by the food that a person consumes. Choosing a low-carbon diet can help to combat climate change.
Act against forest loss. Forests are home to well over half of world's land space. Species of plants and animals. They have a vital role to play in the fight against the global warming. They purify the air we breathe, filter the water we drink, prevent erosion, and act as an important buffer against climate change. Forests offer a home to much of world's diverse array of plants and animals and provide essential natural resources from timber and food to medical plants.
Climate is changing. We must act immediately.